Voicemail for a vet.
Mary and Dwight Blanchard are both veterans of the U.S. Army.
Arlette Belgrave enlisted into the Army Reserves at the age of 17 while still in high school.
Charlie Ruth is a veteran of the United States Army.
George Guy is a veteran of the U.S. Army. George was a paramedic during his service and received his training at Fort Benning.
Thank the Blanchards for their service by leaving a voicemail. Awesome.
Join us in thanking Arlette for her service.
Join us in thanking them by leaving a voicemail for a vet.
Mary and Dwight Blanchard, you are greatly appreciated.
Thank you for your service.
Hey Emmanuel, this is Brandon, one of my best friends. He's currently serving right now, and seeing everything that he's done for us and just the sacrifice and the happiness that it brings to them just means the world to me. I'm glad the Home Depot Foundation has helped you so much, and I'm just thankful for everything you've done. Thank you, Emmanuel.
Mr. Guy, thank you for your service.
Thank you for your service.
The freedom we have is in large part due to your sacrifices, and we are so thankful.
I love you. Thank you.
Just know that we appreciate you and we love you and we support you.
These guys lost limbs. These guys lost families. They give everything for us.
Everyone that serves in the military, I feel like they're in the shadows and we don't get to thank them enough. So this is just an awesome opportunity, and I'm so glad that Home Depot does this.
Thanks for all you've done. Goodbye.